I would like for each of y'all to look at the egg that's on your plate.
Yes.
What color is that egg?
White.
White. Just like teeth, eggs have a hard outer shell that protects the stuff that's on the inside, right?
Yes.
So, to mimic teeth, Mommy used an egg and she put one egg in soda and one egg in juice, and it sat there all night. What do you think happened to the egg that was sitting in soda?
It got bigger and lighter.
You think it got bigger and lighter?
Yeah, because it's light on the like it's light when we see it.
Maybe it absorbed some water and maybe it made it just a little stronger. Maybe I don't know, but
it changed its color.
Yeah, maybe it absorbed some water. I mean, not water.
Maybe it changed its color.
So.
Okay, so those are all good predictions about what happened. So let's take the eggs out of the juice. The other one, Ava.
It feels soft, Mommy. But
Be very careful with it and pull it out. And sit it on your plate. Show it to me first so I can see it.
Here.
why is it so big and bubbly?
Can I put it on my plate?
Oh, that looks like a dinosaur egg.
So what happened to that egg?
It got brown.
It got, you know.
Okay, so let's take the egg out of the soda and see what that egg looks like.
Oh,
Uh-oh, be careful.
it's big and orangey.
That looks pretty brown to mommy.
It's brown.
Look how smooth that is.
All right, so sit them down. So our eggs are definitely different colors, right?
Yes.
Yes.
When we drink sugary drinks, the bacteria that's in our mouths feed off of the sugar that gets left behind. That causes acid. Acid causes cavities. It makes our teeth turn brown and yucky, kind of like those eggs look. And it makes the outside of the egg a little bit softer, just like it makes the outside of our teeth a little bit softer. So that's less protection for what's on the inside of our teeth. Ava, why is your face like that? It's yucky? Is it yucky?
This surely is a lot softer.
Yep. And so what happens is,
Juicier. Ugh, bubbly.
yeah, it's nasty. Because it's starting to wear away at the outer shell. It does the same thing in our mouth. And a lot of people think that it's just soda because juice might seem healthy, but even juice has a lot of sugar in it. And so because of that, that sugar still sits in your mouth and the bacteria still gets to it and it still turns into an acid, and then it causes that. Yes.
Just like this, all around this egg, it's like it turned it brown and the juice surrounding it.
It turned, the actual eggshell is brown now. So let's slide our cups out of the way. Can y'all go pour them out in the sink? So what we're going to do now is explain how important it is to brush your teeth. Because we are going to have sugary drinks sometimes, and we're going to have sugary treats sometimes. So how do we keep our teeth safe?
You brush them when we're
Brush
done.
them. Now the eggs got this brown and yucky because they sat in that sugar all night long. So when you drink a sugary drink and you don't brush your teeth before bed, then your teeth sit with that sugar all night long. And then the outer shell starts to wear away, so they're less protected and you're more likely to get cavities. So here's a toothbrush and one for you.
And now we're gonna brush our teeth.
We're gonna brush those eggs, and we're gonna brush them carefully because what happened is the outer shell is a little bit soft.
They're gonna break.
No, not if we're careful with our teeth.